Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use Sales Kit or Sale Kit social proof bundle in Shopify. So first thing you want to do is just click here add application, and when you already have the application, just skip this installation part, but we're just like right there, and then just wait until it loads, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can use it and what you can achieve with it. So step-by-step guideline. What you can do is to go with this one here, or you can simply click on apps and find those applications as a sales pop, visitor count, sold count, cart countdown, promotion bar, pop-up. Then you can have analytics here, subscribers, this will be the subscriber list, and boost sales. And we will get to it on the last part of the video. So let's click home and let's go with the step-by-step guideline here. So first thing first, we are going to add a sales pop and add a sales pop here. And now you can create your own import orders or manual. And when you have it, it will automatically get data from your Shopify orders. Look back days 30, and that's pretty much it how you do it. And you see right here on the bottom left that they just bought a t-shirt 12 minutes ago, and you can just press clear create, and this is pretty much it how you do it. Really easy, really simple. What you can do also is to have a product filter here as a include products or exclude products. Then you have settings here in which you can like customer, location, just bought a product, t-shirt, number of pop-up per page, you can have 10 of them, time between each pop-up, let's say 15 seconds, really depends how you edit that. These are like defaults that people use. Duration of a pop-up 6 seconds, then you would just like leave. Then you have like delay here, and you can also change the position where you want to have it. If you want to have it on homepage only or just some URL, or really up to you, and position bottom left. You can also hide it in mobile, or you can set different position on mobile. You can also change the position on bottom right, top left, top right, completely up to you. You can also have extra options here as I'm going to zoom in more so you can see it. Show close button. If closed, sales pop won't appear for 1 hour. So people can close it and it won't show at all. I would enable it. You can hide time on pop-up, and you need to have a quick view plus to see it. Styles. You can now change the template here. Like even this one is pretty. It really depends what kind of page you have and how you want to have it, but this is pretty much it. So this is how you can do it. Pretty simple, and this is how you can have the sales pop. Then you have a visitor count here, but when we go home, we see that the sales pop is finished. We can go cart countdown. So let's click here, and now cart countdown. Let's add application here. Again, enable notification bar on cart page. Enable alert box on all pages. I would disable this. I would just enable notification bar. Countdown time, you can change it. I would have like 15 minutes. Action after time expired. So clear cart or reset timing or do nothing. Many people have like clear card here. I don't really like it. Like this kind of, the card countdown is aggressive, but I don't know if it would be great to use it in health products. If it's not going to be too aggressive, because some companies are using it and it pushed me to buy the product, but I didn't feel good about it, you know? I don't know. This is really tricky. Test it out. If the revenue is going to be increased and people are going to get back on your website, then it's useful. Also, I would probably use the cart countdown if it's a one-time product that people not going to get on your website and you just want to milk them. In that way, cart countdown can be really effective in that style. So yeah. Now reset time whenever the add to cart. Yes, that's great. And then you have like notification bar settings here. Enable notifications bar on mobile. I would have it yes. But I would definitely disable the alert box on all pages. On cart page, I would have it, but I don't know about this on the right side or just on the right side. But when there's going to be a customer service on the bottom right, this can be a little bit confusing at times. So then you have like alert box settings. This is the settings for the alert box on the right side. And again, you can edit it. Now, when we got it, you have other applications here as a visitor count. So 100 people visited. Average number of visitors can be 150. And Popup shows random numbers around the average number above. Number change every time spent page is reloaded. So look back time 2 hours, duration of a pop-up 10 seconds. And you can have also close button. I would enable it. Then you can have a display on page where you want it, of all pages or home page only or exactly URL. And then position, again, up to you. And you can hide it on mobile. So yeah, that's something you can do too. And then you have styles here that you can change the template. Now, promotion bar. Quickly create a promotion bar to boost sales, promote a product. This is really great too. So announcement bar, countdown. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You can change the styles. And I won't really get into this because this is really straightforward, but you can work with it. You can change the settings here, the styles, the goals. 30% of all orders for limited time only. Shop now, the store link where you want to have a custom link for the product or for the like product page. Button label shop now. Pretty straightforward. What you can do also, create an announcement bar or just collect email phone. That's another thing what you can do. With the apps, the next thing what you can do is to have a sold count. And this is really straightforward too. So how many were sold in the last days? And yep, that's pretty straightforward too, what you can do. So look back time, format days, import orders, real numbers or random numbers. So you can have it from Shopify. And my friend is getting a lot of orders. And in the past 2 days, he will have gotten 75 in the last 2 days, and it will be perfect. Duration of the pop-up, people would see it. So yeah. Now again, you can have promotion bar, etc. Then this is pretty much it. On the right side, on the right bottom side, you see pop-up, and this is really works easily that you can edit it with styles and behavior. I won't really get into this because like this is pretty straightforward what you can do. I don't know if you want me to explain, but the goal, what is your goal to choose your pop-up? To have a coupon, to have a collect email phone. Let's say that I want to collect email. Pop-up title, don't you want to miss anything? Pop-up description. Choose subscription type. And then you have like styles here. And you just edit those. And then you have the behavior. This is the most important thing. So behavior trigger pop-up after specific time or after scrolling for 40% of the page or exit intent when they are going to leave the page. So that's what you can do. Boost sales. This is the last thing what I want to show you. If you want to boost conversion rate or build trust, you're gonna see plenty of options that you can use. So quick view here. If you want to reduce abandoned cart. So that's something what you can use to track competitors. Koala inspector, contact with customers, smart menu. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask down in comments, but this is pretty much it, how you can use it and what you can achieve with a Sale Kit. And yeah, I hope I helped you a little bit. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.